How to recover your deleted Instagram account. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Let me guide it through quick and easy and how you can recover your deleted Instagram account. Well, to recover your deleted Instagram account, you can either head into your browser and head into instagram.com. Now you can also directly head into Instagram application and here head into login page. Now all you gotta do is enter in your login credentials here, your phone number, username or email and your password here and tap on login. Now if you had set your account to be deleted and the date hasn't crossed the 30 days mark, then your account will still be there on the server, so you'll be able to recover it. However, if the account deletion date, so for instance, if you set your account to be deleted today and after the 30 days mark it'll be deleted, right? So if it has already crossed the 30 days mark, unfortunately you won't be able to recover it at all. There is no any way to do so. But if it hasn't crossed the 30 days mark, since you set the account to be deleted, then you can simply enter in your credentials on the login page and access your account and cancel the deletion. This is how you can recover your deleted account on Instagram. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe.